In this video we will see how to set up a section on News 4. To add a section, click on plus at the top. The parameters to be set are section name, that is the name to give to the section and which will appear in the side menu. Displayable is where choose which categories of user will be able to view the section. Client is where choose which types of device are able to view section. Type, that is the type of the section, can be nothing, dashboard, registry, agenda, document, map and table. In table, it's necessary to choose one of the previously created table to associate with section. In group, it's possible to insert a label to group the sections together. In icon, it's possible to choose one of the proposed icons to add to the name in the menu, and on bar, if checked, create a quick menu at the bottom right with the section icons that allow to directly open a new tab for the section. For any information or concerns, do not hesitate to contact us at info@news4.com. Thank you for watching the video.